are perfect for competitive exams and general knowledge. Ancient Indian history. 1. Father of Indian archaeology, Alexander Cunningham. 2. First site excavated in Indus Valley, Harappa 1921, by Sahni. 3. The Mound of the Dead, Mohenjo-Daro. 4. Indus Valley Port City, Lothal, Gujarat. 5. Main crop of Indus people, wheat and barley. 6. First metal used by humans, copper. 7. Oldest Veda, Rigveda. 8. Meaning of Veda, knowledge. 9. The Gayatri Mantra is found in Rigveda, 3rd Mandala. 10. The Battle of 10 Kings, Dasrajan, fought on the banks of Parushni, Ravi. 11. Founder of Buddhism, Gautama Buddha, Siddhartha. 12. Buddha's first sermon, Sarnath, Dharma Chakra Pravartana. 13. Founder of Jainism, Rishabhanatha, first Tirthankara. 14. 24th Tirthankara, Vardhamana Mahavira. 15. First empire in India, Magadha. 16. Founder of Haryanka dynasty, Bimbisara. 17. Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. 18. Battle of Hydaspes, between Alexander and King Porus. 19. Founder of Maurya Empire, Chandragupta Maurya. 20. Author of Arthashastra, Chanakya, Kautilya. 21. Author of Indica, Megasthenes. 22. The Kalinga warrior, 261 BC. 23. King who gave up war after Kalinga, Ashoka. 24. Founder of Shunga dynasty, Pushyamitra Shunga. 25. The Napoleon of India, Samudragupta. 26. The Golden Age of Ancient India, Gupta Empire. 27. Author of Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kalidas. 28. Inventor of zero and decimals, Aryabhata. 29. Chinese traveler in Chandragupta II's court, F.A. Hien. 30. Chinese traveler in Harshavardhana's court, Huan Tsang. Ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt. 31. Meaning of Mesopotamia, land between two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. 32. World's first writing system, cuneiform, Sumerian. 33. First written law code, Code of Hammurabi. 34. The gift of the Nile, Egypt. 35. Egyptian writing system, hieroglyphics. 36. First pyramid builder, Imhotep, for King Djoser. 37. The Great Pyramid location, Giza, built for Khufu. 38. First woman pharaoh, Hatshepsut. 39. The boy king of Egypt, Tutankhamun. 40. Material used for Egyptian paper, papyrus. Ancient Greece and Rome. 41. Home of the Olympic Games, Olympia, 776 BC. 42. Father of history, Herodotus. 43. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. 44. The philosopher king teacher of Alexander, Aristotle. 45. Socrates' most famous student, Plato. 46. The city-state known for military strength, Sparta. 47. The city-state known for democracy, Athens. 48. Epic poems Iliad and Odyssey author, Homer. 49. Legendary founders of Rome, Romulus and Remus. 50. First emperor of Rome, Augustus Caesar. 51. General who crossed the Alps with elephants, Hannibal. 52. Assassinated on the Ides of March, Julius Caesar. 53. Famous Roman amphitheater, the Colosseum. 54. The Pax Romana, a 200-year period of Roman peace. 55. The language of ancient Rome, Latin. Religion and philosophy. 56. Oldest surviving monotheistic religion, Judaism. 57. The Ten Commandments prophet, Moses. 58. Founder of Zoroastrianism, Zarathustra. 59. Confucianism origin, China, Confucius. 60. Taoism founder, Lao Tzu. Ancient inventions and discoveries. 61. Invention of the wheel, Mesopotamia, Sumerians. 62. First to use silk, ancient China. 63. Great Wall of China builder, Qin Shi Huang. 64. First to use iron on a large scale, Hittites. 65. Inventors of the alphabet, phonetic, Phoenicians. 66. Ancient university in India, Nalanda. 67. World's first hospital system, built by King Ashoka. 68. Discovery of fire, Lower Paleolithic Age. 69. Beginning of agriculture, Neolithic Age. 70. First animal domesticated, dog. Miscellaneous ancient facts. 71. The Stonehenge location, England. 72. The Silk Road connected China and the Mediterranean. 73. Ziggurats were Mesopotamian temples. 74. The Hanging Gardens location, Babylon. 75. The Rosetta Stone helped decode hieroglyphics. 76. The cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia. 77. Ancient name of Iraq, Mesopotamia. 78. Ancient name of Iran, Persia. 79. Ancient name of Sri Lanka, Ceylon, Tamraparni. 80. Ancient name of Patna, Pataliputra. 81. The Tripitakas are sacred books of Buddhists. 82. The Agamas are sacred books of Jains. 83. Founder of the Vikramshila University, Dharmapala. 84. The Sun Temple of Konark builder, Narasimhadeva I. 85. The Ajanta Caves paintings depict Jataka tales. 86. The iron pillar at Mehrauli belongs to Chandragupta II. 87. First to issue gold coins in India, Indo-Greeks. 88. The Saka era started in 78 AD by Kanishka. 89. The Vikram era started in 57 BC. 90. Capital of Kanishka, Purushpura, Peshawar. 91. The Panchatantra author, Vishnu Sharma. 92. First foreign invader to India, Darius I, Persia. 93. The last Mauryan king, Brihadratha. 94. The Silappadigaram is a Tamil epic. 95. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the 7 ancient wonders. 96. The Colossus of Rhodes was a statue of Helios. 97. Main deity of Rigvedic Aryans, Indra, Purandara. 98. The Harappan script was pictographic. 99. The Mayan civilization location, Central America, Mexico. 100. Marked by fall of the Western Roman Empire, 476 AD. The Delhi Sultanate, 1206 to 1526. 1. First Muslim invader of India, Muhammad bin Qasim, Sindh, 712 AD. 2. First Turkish invader, Mahmud of Ghazni, 1001 AD. 3. Number of times Mahmud of Ghazni invaded India, 17 times. 4. Somnath temple destroyed by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1025 AD. 5. Founder of the slave Mamluk dynasty, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. 6. Sultan known as Lakh Baksh, giver of lakhs, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. 7. Sultan who died playing polo, Chaugan, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. 8. Real founder of Delhi Sultanate, Iltutmish. 9. Builder of the first Islamic mausoleum, Sultan Gadhi, Iltutmish. 10. Tanka silver and Jittal copper coins introduced by Iltutmish. 11. First and last female Muslim ruler of India, Razia Sultan. 12. The blood and iron policy was introduced by Ghiyasuddin Balban. 13. Balban abolished the famous elite group, Turkan-e-Chehalgani. 14. Founder of the Khilji dynasty, Jalaluddin Khilji. 15. Sultan who called himself the second Alexander, Sikandar Sani, Alauddin Khilji. 16. Market reforms and price control introduced by Alauddin Khilji. 17. General who led Alauddin's South Indian expeditions, Malik Kafur Hazar Dinari. 18. Founder of the Tughlaq dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. 19. The wise fool of Indian history, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 20. Transfer of capital from Delhi to Devagiri, Daulatabad, by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 21. Introduction of token currency, brass copper, by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 22. The famous traveler Ibn Battuta visited during Muhammad bin Tughlaq's reign. 23. Sultan who built the maximum canals for irrigation, Feroz Shah Tughlaq. 24. Invasion of Timur, Tamerlane in India, 1398 AD. 25. Founder of the Sayyid dynasty, Khizr Khan. 26. Founder of the Lodi dynasty, Bahlul Lodi. 27. Sikandar Lodi founded the city of Agra in 1504. 28. Last Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi. 29. First Battle of Panipat, 1526. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi. 30. Language of the Delhi Sultanate Court, Persian. The Mughal Empire, 1526 to 1857. 31. Founder of the Mughal Empire, Babur. 32. Autobiography of Babur, Tuzuki Baburi, Babur Nama. 33. Battle of Khanwa, 1527, between Babur and Rana Sanga. 34. Battle of Chausa, 1539, Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun. 35. The Afghan ruler who built the Grand Trunk, GT Road, Sher Shah Suri. 36. Original name of Sher Shah Suri, Farid Khan. 37. Akbar's coronation took place at Kalanur, Punjab. 38. Guardian of young Akbar, Bairam Khan. 39. Second Battle of Panipat, 1556. Akbar defeated Hemu. 40. The religious faith Dini Ilahi was founded by Akbar. 41. The Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. 42. Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri built to commemorate victory over Gujarat. 43. First Englishman to visit Akbar's court, Ralph Fitch. 44. Mughal emperor known as Prince Salim, Jahangir. 45. Chain of Justice, Zanjeer-e-Adl, established by Jahangir. 46. Captain William Hawkins and Sir Thomas Roe visited Jahangir's court. 47. The Golden Age of Mughal architecture, reign of Shah Jahan. 48. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in memory of Mumtaz Mahal. 49. Peacock throne, Takht-i-Taus was made by Shah Jahan. 50. Mughal emperor, known as Zinda Pir, living saint, Aurangzeb. 51. The Sikh Guru executed by Aurangzeb Guru Tegh Bahadur, 9th Guru. 52. Maximum number of Hindu Mansabdars served under Aurangzeb. 53. Bibi Ka Maqbara, Dakhni Taj built by Aurangzeb. 54. Last powerful Mughal emperor, Aurangzeb, died 1707. 55. Nadir Shah invaded India during the reign of Muhammad Shah. Medieval kingdoms and culture. 56. Founder of the Vijayanagara Empire, Harihara and Bukka, 1336. 57. Most famous king of Vijayanagara, Krishnadev Raya. 58. Battle of Talikota, 1565, led to the fall of Vijayanagara. 59. Founder of the Bahmani kingdom, Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. 60. The Bhakti movement was started in South India by Alwars and Nayanars. 61. Founder of the Sikh religion, Guru Nanak Dev. 62. The Parrot of India, Tuti Hind, Amir Khusrau. 63. Invention of sitar and tabla credited to Amir Khusrau. 64. The Kitabul Hind was written by Al-Biruni. 65. The Akbarnama and any Akbari author, Abul Fazl. 66. Founder of the Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. 67. Shivaji's Council of 8 Ministers, Ashtapradhan. 68. Treaty of Purandar, 1665, between Shivaji and Raja Jai Singh. 69. First Peshwa of the Maratha Empire, Balaji Vishwanath. 70. The Ikta system was a land revenue grant system of the Sultanate. World Medieval History. 71. The Middle Ages time period, 5th to 15th century. 72. The Black Death plague killed 30% of Europe's population, 1347 to 1351. 73. Founder of the Mongol Empire, Genghis Khan. 74. The Magna Carta was signed in 1215 by King John of England. 75. The Crusades were holy wars between Christians and Muslims. 76. The Prophet Muhammad's migration Hijrah, 622 AD, start of Islamic calendar. 77. Discovery of America by Columbus, 1492. 78. Invention of the printing press, Johannes Gutenberg, 1439. 79. Fall of Constantinople, 1453, marked end of Eastern Roman Empire. 80. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, India in 1498. Architecture and literature one-liners. 81. Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. 82. Adhai Din Ka Jhonpra, Ajmer built by Qutub-ud-Din Aibak. 83. Alai Darwaza built by Alauddin Khilji. 84. Humayun's tomb, Delhi built by Haji Begum, designed by Miraq Mirza Ghiyas. 85. Panch Mahal is located in Fatehpur Sikri. 86. Moti Masjid, Agra built by Shah Jahan. 87. Red Fort, Delhi, built by Shah Jahan. 88. The Ramacharitammanas was written by Tulsidas during Akbar's era. 89. The Padmavat was written by Malik Muhammad Jaisi. 90. The Humayun Nama was written by Gulbadan Begum. 91. Father of Indology, Al-Biruni. 92. First Muslim to study Puranas, Al-Biruni. 93. Founder of the Chola dynasty, medieval, Vijayalaya Chola. 94. Rajarajeshwara Temple, Thanjavur, built by Rajaraja Chola I. 95. The Vikramshila University was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji. 96. The jizya tax was first abolished by Akbar. 97. The Saka era, 78 AD, used by Kanishka, but prominent in medieval records. 98. Capital of Shivaji, Raigad. 99. Guru Gobind Singh founded the Khalsa Panth, 1699. 100. The battle that ended the medieval period in India, Battle of Plassey. I. Advent of Europeans and British expansion, 1750 to 1857. 1. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, India, 1498, the start of European era. 2. First English factory in India, Surat, 1613. 3. Battle of Plassey, 1757. Robert Clive defeated Siraj-ud-Dawla, established British rule. 4. Battle of Wandiwash, 1760. British defeated the French, ending French challenge in India. 5. Battle of Buxar, 1764. British defeated combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shuja-ud-Dawla, and Shah Alam II. 6. Treaty of Allahabad, 1765. Granted Diwani rights, revenue collection of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to the British. 7. Dual government in Bengal, started by Robert Clive, abolished by Warren Hastings, 1772. 8. First Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings, 1773. 9. Regulating Act of 1773, first step by the British Parliament to control East India Company. 10. Subsidiary alliance system, introduced by Lord Wellesley to expand British territory. 11. Doctrine of lapse, introduced by Lord Dalhousie, annexed Satara, Sambalpur, Jhansi. 12. Introduction of railways in India, 1853, Bombay to Thane, under Lord Dalhousie. 13. First telegraph line in India, Calcutta to Agra, 1854. 14. Introduction of postal system, Post Office Act, 1854. 15. Wood's Dispatch, 1854, known as the Magna Carta of English education in India. 2. The Revolt of 1857 and early resistance. 16. Starting point of 1857, Revolt, Meerut, May 10, 1857. 17. First martyr of 1857 revolt, Mangal Pandey, Barakpur. 18. Symbol of 1857 revolt, lotus and bread, roti. 19. Led the revolt in Kanpur, Nana Sahib and Tantia Tope. 20. Led the revolt in Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. 21. Led the revolt in Bihar, Kunwar Singh. 22. Viceroy during 1857 revolt, Lord Canning. 23. Government of India Act 1858, ended company rule, transferred power to the British Crown. 24. First Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. 25. Indigo Revolt, 1859, peasant uprising in Bengal against forced indigo cultivation. 3. Socio-religious reform movements. 26. Father of modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 27. Founder of Brahmo Samaj, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1828. 28. Abolition of Sati, 1829, Lord William Bentinck, with help from Ram Mohan Roy. 29. Founder of Arya Samaj, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, 1875. 30. Slogan Go Back to the Vedas, given by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. 31. Founder of Ramakrishna Mission, Swami Vivekananda, 1897. 32. Vivekananda's Chicago Speech, 1893, World Parliament of Religions. 33. Founder of Satyashodhak Samaj, Jyotiba Phule, 1873. 34. Author of Gulamgiri, Jyotiba Phule. 35. Founder of Theosophical Society, H.P. Blavatsky and Cole Olcott, New York. IV. The Indian National Movement, 1885 to 1919. 36. Founder of Indian National Congress, INC, A.O. Hume, 1885. 37. First President of INC, W.C. Banerjee. 38. First session of INC held at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, Bombay. 39. First woman President of INC, Annie Besant, 1917. 40. First Indian woman President of INC, Sarojini Naidu, 1925. 41. Partition of Bengal, 1905, announced by Lord Curzon. 42. Swadeshi movement, started in 1905 to protest the partition of Bengal. 43. Formation of Muslim League, 1906, Dhaka, by Nawab Salimullah. 44. Surat split, 1907. Congress split into moderates and extremists. 45. Morley Minto reforms, 1909, introduced separate electorates for Muslims. 46. Ghadar Party founder, Lala Hardyal, 1913, San Francisco. 47. Home Rule Movement, 1916, started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. 48. Lucknow Pact, 1916, reunited Congress and formed an alliance with the Muslim League. 49. Champaran Satyagraha, 1917, Gandhi's first satyagraha in India, indigo farmers. 50. Kheda Satyagraha, 1918, Gandhi supported peasants against high taxes. The Gandhian Era, 1919 to 1947. 51. Rowlatt Act, 1919, known as the Black Bill, imprisonment without trial. 52. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, April 13, 1919, General Dyer opened fire. 53. Khilafat movement, started by Ali brothers, Shaukat and Muhammad Ali. 54. Non-cooperation movement, 1920, first mass movement led by Gandhi. 55. Chauri Chaura incident, 1922, led to the suspension of the non-cooperation movement. 56. Formation of Swaraj Party, 1923, by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. 57. Simon Commission, 1928, boycotted because it had no Indian members. 58. Lala Lajpat Rai died, protesting against the Simon Commission. 59. Purn Swaraj Declaration, Lahore Session, 1929, under Jawaharlal Nehru. 60. Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha, started March 12, 1930. 61. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, March 5, 1931. 62. Second Round Table Conference, the only one attended by Gandhi, London 1931. 63. Pune Pact, 1932, signed between Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. 64. Government of India Act 1935, introduced provincial autonomy and a federal structure. 65. August Offer, 1940, Viceroy Linlithgow promised Dominion status. 66. Individual Satyagraha, 1940, first volunteer was Vinoba Bhave. 67. Cripps Mission, 1942, termed a post-dated check on a failing bank by Gandhi. 68. Quit India Movement, 1942, Gandhi gave the slogan Do or Die. 69. Indian National Army, INA, founder, Rash Bihari Bose, later led by Subhash Chandra Bose. 70. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom, slogan by Subhash Chandra Bose. Independence and Partition, 1947. 71. Wavell Plan, 1945, attempt to resolve the political deadlock. 72. Cabinet Mission, 1946, recommended a constituent assembly. 73. Mountbatten Plan, June 3, 1947, plan for partition. 74. Indian Independence Act, 1847, passed by British Parliament on July 18, 1947. 75. First Governor-General of Independent India, Lord Mountbatten. 76. First Indian Governor-General C. Rajagopalachari. 77. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. 78. Integration of princely states, led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. 79. Adoption of Indian Constitution, November 26, 1949. 80. India became a republic, January 26, 1950. 7. World History One-Liners, Modern Era. 81. Industrial Revolution started in Great Britain, approx. 1760. 82. American Declaration of Independence, July 4, 1776. 83. Father of the American Constitution, James Madison. 84. French Revolution started with the storming of the Bastille, July 14, 1789. 85. Motto of the French Revolution, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. 86. Napoleon Bonaparte defeated at Battle of Waterloo, 1815. 87. Unification of Italy, 1861, led by Garibaldi and Mazzini. 88. Unification of Germany, 1871, led by Otto von Bismarck, Blood and Iron. 89. American Civil War, 1861-65, abolished slavery under Abraham Lincoln. 90. World War I, 1914-1918, triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. 91. Treaty of Versailles, 1919, ended World War I and imposed harsh terms on Germany. 92. Russian Revolution, 1917, led by Vladimir Lenin, Bolsheviks. 93. The Great Depression started in 1929, USA. 94. Rise of Fascism in Italy, Benito Mussolini. 95. Rise of Nazism in Germany, Adolf Hitler. 96. World War II, 1939 to 1945, started with Germany's invasion of Poland. 97. Attack on Pearl Harbor, 1941, brought the USA into World War II. 98. First atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, August 6, 1945. 99. Formation of United Nations, UN, October 24, 1945. 100. Cold War, 1947 to 1991, ideological struggle between USA and USSR.